Hi,
Hi, Radhika.
hi, how are you?
I'm good. So sorry we had to squeeze in your time, but everyone was
It's
waiting
okay,
for
it's
you.
okay. It's okay, it's okay. What's happening?
All good. You tell us how your quarantine time going.
I'm actually recording myself for something. So I
Oh,
think tomorrow I will be posting it. It's a surprise for you
nice.
guys.
Nice.
Yeah.
We'll be excited to see that. But Radhika, one thing which even before we started and everyone had a genuine question. I know it's a little heartbreaking. I was one of the few lucky ones to see you on big screen within Crazy Medium, but many of you
Mhm.
couldn't. Now you're in like on an OTT platform. The film is there, but was it a little a letdown sort of experience for you because it was very very sudden before we could even process it?
I know, it wasn't in our hands. And whatever has happened, it's beyond everybody. It's beyond our individual interests. It's so big, it's so huge. We can't be selfish right now, and we can't even think in that sense that, ऐसा क्यों हो गया? Pandemic हुआ है. So we cannot do anything. But I'm happy that at least it's available on an OTT platform and people can see it. That is why we make a film. We just want to entertain the audience, yeah. That is it. That is our main purpose.
Radhika, we also saw you got this lovely compliment from Mr. Amitabh Bachchan for your performance. Please tell us about it. Like, I really need to see your reaction on that one because your post was like so overwhelming.
I I didn't believe it for the longest time. Like it was just there. So there's this costume person whose name is Amitabh or something like that. So I thought, okay, I got a message in the morning and I thought like he's coming to collect his clothes or something like that. So I was like, fine. I gave the address and I was in the kitchen at that point of time. I remember, and I just opened the door and there was this bouquet and a letter, and I just stood there. I don't know, बोला Mr. Bachchan के यहाँ से हम आए हैं, and he sent this for you, and I just took it, and I was reading the letter and I just froze there for good 2-3 minutes, and I didn't know what to do, and I was teary eyed, and yeah, and I framed the letter. So it's with me, it's framed, it's beyond all the awards. And I couldn't be more thankful. In the evening, I spoke with Mr. Bachchan as well. And, he was just talking, and I couldn't say a single word. I was just saying thank you. And I didn't know what to say. He was just praising the film and the performances and everything. And I was like, yes, sir, thank you, so this means a lot. And I was just fumbling and stammering, but it was one of the most special moments of my life.
Radhika, I'll make it very short and sweet before I hand you over to fans before they kill me for wasting so much of time out here. Tell me something, Radhika. You're one of the few handful actors who have made it really big from TV to films. How surreal does it feel? Like in 5 years, I think you have covered two biggest mediums, TV and films. How does it feel?
So I haven't thought like that ever. I don't know. Yeah, for me, it's just acting. I don't think of it as TV or movies. Yeah, it's for me. It's just playing different roles. That's what gives me the thrill. That's what I'm passionate about. Just living lives, and I just want to do that. Be it any platform, be it a digital platform, movies, TV. So I'm just grateful that I'm able to be an actor professionally. That is it.
So if TV comes your way again with maybe a very challenging script, will you be able to pick it with your schedule as of now?
Never say never. Like if it makes me jump out of the bed, I'm
That's a very 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 good answer. Never say never because
gonna.
also the OTT is booming beautifully. Like, are you up
Yes,
for it if you get something on OTT?
of
Yes,
course. Like why not? Why not? Just get me a role which is like so
meaty.
challenging. Just yeah, just meaty, and I'll be up for it. Of course. I don't care about the platform.
I was talking to Abhimanyu Dasani and he was saying that he's very much excited if Mard Ko Dard 2.0 happens. Like for you also the chances is open. Like if you get it.
I would love to. You need to ask Vasan sir. I don't know
He
if
said
he's
the
up
same
for it
thing.
or not. I would love to. I love Supri. And why not? Why not?
Yeah. Abhimanyu like, me and Radhika have to gang up and go to like Vasant sir and tell him like, sir, one more part.
We will have to do it. वो तो हम करते ही हैं, वो तो हम पहले से ही बोला हुआ है. I think Vasan sir has something in his mind. होगा कभी तो he'll only tell us. But yeah, we keep telling him that you need to make it.
Okay, Radhika, there's very little less about what you are doing next. I just found out about Shiddat. Like, could you just give us a little bit what's next we can expect from you after receiving such beautiful reviews for Angrezi Medium?
Thank you. Next is Shiddat. We've already finished the shoot.
Oh,
It's with
lovely.
Sunny, and Mohit is also there. Diana is also there. Uh, it's something which is totally different from whatever I've done. Uh,
Like fully
and
Bollywood, total dancing
yeah,
around the trees. Yes,
Bollywood,
yeah.
yeah, a different genre altogether. It's a romantic film. I'm playing the role of a swimmer in that, and it's a love
Oh,
story. It's a love story, and I haven't done a love story yet. So, yeah, I can only tell you that much. And
what
yeah, I
next?
hope
Apart
to
from
share with
Shiddat,
you soon.
so apart from Shiddat, is there anything we should be looking forward from your kitty?
I will be making a few announcements soon.
Soon.
Like I just need to make it official. So interesting things lined up. I can just promise everybody that I just want to entertain them with different genres, with different characters. I don't want them to put me in a box because I don't put myself in a box. So
Exactly.
yeah, I just want to entertain them as much as I can.
Radhika, if I'm not mistaken, you are staying alone in Mumbai, like not with your parents per se, as of now in this entire lockdown situation. Uh,
Yes.
could you just tell us something? It can be overwhelming. Like, though we need personal time, maybe as an actress, you also, but can it get a little overwhelming staying alone?
It can, but I'm just keeping myself very busy. I'm just working on myself a lot. I'm taking on new skills. Uh, मुझे नहीं पता लगता है कब दिन गुजर जाता है. But of course, you miss your family. That is
Yeah.
good, but I'm just keeping myself distracted because maybe I'm the kind of person कि अब सिचुएशन अगर कोई आ जाती है ना तो I'm not like कि हाय क्यों हो गया हाय मेरे साथ I'm like okay what can I do about it can I
Yeah.
just एक दिन दो दिन पे हाय तौबा मचाऊंगी third day I'll be like okay what's next what can I do about it how can I make it productive how can I become a better person or a better artist like that is how my brain functions so yeah.
So one hobby, just tell us you have picked up, or one skill you have learned in this time, like mastered it.
Not mastered it. I'm learning piano, and
Oh wow!
yeah. So
It's apart from you, Deepika Padukone is also learning piano, just in case.
that is so beautiful. That is so amazing. So yeah, I'm learning piano. I'm learning tap dancing online, and writing a few things, and I've enrolled for workshops online, and yeah, that is what I'm doing. Just keeping myself busy.
So, without wasting much time, I'm going to shoot the first question from fans, which I ended up noticing while this entire glitch happened, and then you can definitely take up. Someone asked me, like, what's your dream combination of an actor director? What is something you want to collaborate with?
I have a list. I have a
Give me
list,
one.
like I want to work with Zoya Akhtar. I want to work with Anurag Basu, Anurag Kashyap. I want to work with Gauri Shinde, man. Like there's a list and list of actors as well. Ayushmann, Ranveer. Like I can't even like the list
Everyone.
goes on and on and on and on. So yeah,
Yeah. And one more question someone had, which is was a very, very sweet question I found. Like when you entered Bollywood, what was your first OG fangirl moment? Like one moment which will always be with you, like when you officially entered Bollywood, one fangirl moment. Yours.
my fangirl moment will have to be with Kareena. Like I was
Oh,
shivering before meeting her. Like I just shot with her for a day in Angrezi, and I remember before meeting her, my hands were like shivering. Like how? I've been a big Karina fan my whole life. And just to see her up front and just, she was so warm and so sweet. And it just, my love for her has grown after that.
Cool. So quickly, we are going to go through your fans' questions. I won't take much of your time. Should I read some for you, or would you like to scroll yourself and have a pick?
Shoot.
Okay, cool. We are guys. Radhika is starting answering, so feel free. Who wants to shoot over any questions? We will. Okay. So the first one happens to be. I'm also trying to figure out. There are so many. God, Radhika, you are getting beautiful compliments. First of all, how is
Thank
your
you.
face glowing so much? Someone is asking me, like, really.
I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping and eating well. That is all. And I just feel that you need to be happy from inside and you'll glow.
तुम मेरी favorite हो. Now that's a Karina-ish compliment for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. That's sweet. Thank you.
But Radhika, does this love overwhelm you? Because this can be like really, really surreal to have so much love pouring all over. How do you feel about this fans and the adulation which comes your way?
I think I am whatever I am because of them. And I'm so grateful to each and every one of them. Like how they take out time to just post comments or make collages. It's or share their stories or whatever it is. It's so overwhelming, and I'm so grateful to each and every one of them. Thank you so much, guys.
Someone has asked that, Radhika, how does it feel to rise above the nepotism war?
Have I risen? It's just you just need, like what I have told myself is that I need to give my 100% to everything. I can't be boggled by कि अरे ये इसकी बेटी अरे ये इसका बेटा. I can't. What am I doing about it? मैं पैदा तो नहीं हो सकती ना उनके मुंह से. अब मैं
You can't rearrange the universe.
Exactly. Just give your 100%. What I can do is I can just audition. I can just give my 100% to every single character, and that is it. मैं ये क्या करूँगी? हाय वो उससे क्यों पैदा हो गई? हाय नहीं हो सकता यार. Just work on yourself, work on your craft, and have your own journey.
Okay. Someone has to ask, Ishani, when and if will you ever continue Meri Aashiki Tumse Hi? I love you.
They're not making a season 2, so.
I think we'll put in how about an OTT version of like a quick, cute version of Meri Aashiki? Okay, Radhika, someone is asking, what's your favorite thing to do in the house in this time? Someone is saying, what are you watching? What are you reading?
Watching a lot of shows right now. I'm watching People vs. O.J. Simpson. I just missed out on that one. So I'm just watching that currently and reading books and just practicing my piano. That is all I do.
Nice. Who's your crush, Radhika?
Who's my crush? Can I say Karina?
Oh, come on. No. We will not take that. Something else, please. Because actually, it also takes to my question. You are the only one who doesn't have a Linka Pruma, yaar. There is like clean slate. Radhika single legitimately on all tabloids.
It's just me. It's okay, I'll tell you my crush. Ryan Gosling.
Like hitting out of the park directly. We don't do small things. We just like pick up the best one in the lot.
Never.
Okay, this one is nice. Ma'am, why do you think your film are underrated? And why don't they get that kind of due? That's very deep.
I know, yeah. I don't know, yeah. My job is just to act. My job is just to live my character 200%. After that, it's business and it's production thing. I don't get involved into it. But I just want to, of course, you would want to reach out to as many people as you can. But मेरे हाथ में तो उतना ही है ना यार. मेरे हाथ में तो honesty है ना. मेरे हाथ में तो character ही जी सकते ना honestly. उसके बाद क्या होता है, response क्या होता है, क्या ये, वो तो मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है. तो
look who joined too. Vasan Bala sir. You can put in your request right away. I'm telling you, do it right away. He's
Marco
watching
Del
you.
Rio. What? Marco Del Rio the
Yeah,
part
yeah,
two.
yeah, yeah.
So people
Yeah,
are
yeah.
requesting for Marco Del Rio the part two. So आप सब कुछ देख लो आप मतलब मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ लोग बोल रहे हैं तो आप देख लो.
Okay, I'll just pick a last couple of you before I bid you bye. There are some really cute things. Okay, let me just scroll. Oh my God. Radhika, you are a great mimic artist. We have seen some videos. Please mimic something for us. When was this? Why did I miss it, Radhika? Where was I? मुझे भी नहीं पता. Where was I?
चन्नू जी करना में मैंने बस वो थोड़ा बहुत शाहरुख वारुख किया है और कुछ नहीं किया है वो जिस
कर दो
डांसिंग.
राधिका, फैंस है. कर दो, फैंस है. एक बारी छोटा सा
हाथ दिखेंगे तुम्हें हाथ दिखेंगे हाथ कैसे दिखाऊंगी
एक डायलॉग चलेगा. चलो, we'll do with the dialogue.
हाथ दिख रहे नहीं दिख रहे.
That's really
Okay, let me say the easiest dialogue जो सब लड़कियां बोलती हैं कि मैं अपनी फेवरेट